Hey guys, welcome back to
What the Food.
So today we have our friend Savda.
Hello.
So Savda, she is a very good cook and she is actually going to show us some Cambodian food today.
Yeah, it's really authentic Cambodian food. So we are going to cook a sour beef lemongrass soup.
Yes.
I can't wait.
Sounds delicious.
With the ingredient, we focus on the kroeung. So kroeung, if you have lemongrass, tamarind, kaffir
lime leaf.
And you just picked that from your tree downstairs.
Yes.
She has a garden too.
Yes, and then we have some chili and garlic.
In Galango.
Galango.
Gosh,
Galango,
Yes.
Galango.
Galango.
smells so
Yes.
good.
Yes, they are fresh.
So these are the stuff that we normally use in our Thai cuisine as well.
Yep.
So I'm actually pretty excited because I think they're pretty similar.
Yeah, the
And
aromatic.
we move on to a beef. This is called beef shin.
Yes.
And this is the beef tripe.
Yep.
Tripe. Yep. We also have morning glory
Mm-hmm.
and a Thai eggplant and also some fresh chili from the garden.
More peppers,
Yes, more peppers
peppers.
or spice.
So Cambodian food is pretty spicy too then, right?
It all depends what you like to taste it. So I like it spicy.
Sure.
So what do we have for the broth?
So we do have sugar, salt, chicken flavor soup base,
Okay.
mix, fish sauce, and fish paste.
Oh
Yes,
yes, I'm so
I'm
excited for this.
I know.
The stinkier the better, right?
Yes,
Okay.
and then we also have tamarind soup mix, so we can mix this also for a sour flavor.
So you can use fresh tamarind.
We can also use fresh tamarind, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is like a substitute, I think,
Yes.
for just in case if you guys cannot find fresh tamarind.
And we have a curry leaf, and then the ghost basil.
The holy
So-
basil.
Is it ghost basil?
Holy
It
basil.
became a ghost and then it became holy afterwards.
Yes,
right?
yes.
All right, let's get started.
So what's the first thing that we're gonna do?
We are going to slice the lemongrass very thin.
So how many stalks of lemongrass are you using?
I use 2.
So now here we have the turmeric.
Yep, the fresh one. After we slice it and cut it into small pieces, now we're gonna have to
Smash them
smash them
up.
up.
That's right.
So we're gonna smash this up. Before I smash them up, I'm gonna add a small amount of salt.
Wow, it smells really good.
Yeah, so it's already smashed. I'm gonna add the fish paste into the kroeung,
Yeah.
and that prevent. For me, I believe that it actually less. The smell is actually less.
Okay.
Yep. So
It's like a little aroma therapy in here.
Yes.
Yes.
Smells good. I have lemongrass. I have I can smell the kaffir lime leaves.
Yeah,
It's definitely an acquired taste.
Yes.
But you have to give it a try. It adds a great depth of flavor to whatever.
Yeah.
So this
cooking.
much I'm gonna add into kroeung, and then I'm gonna mix it well together. And then
That's awesome.
well,
Okay.
Yeah, I don't smell it anymore.
yeah. So it actually masks the fish paste.
In Thai dishes, we use a lot of fermented fish and fermented shrimp. One time I was eating nam prik kapi, which is a Thai chili paste, and man, I feel bad because I actually went to the gym after. You know, like when you do like weightlifting, you like to ask people to spot you. On that day, I was too embarrassed.
Oh my!
You're like, he's like, oh.
I didn't have anyone to spot me because I feel like my breath was just
Kick it.
delicious.
Yes, the whole entire room, right?
Oh my
You feel
god!
like it.
Yeah, and I
so-
could feel it on my clothes. But
Well, yep.
matter of fact, it was worth it because it was really good.
So now we have the kroeung is complete. So we finished the kroeung. So this is how fine I'm gonna get to. Actually, this is actually pretty good for now. And then we're gonna cut the meat. So we're not gonna make it thick. We make it thinner because we can cook faster, basically.
Okay.
So
Okay.
So this is beef shin.
yes.
And why did you choose this cut of meat?
This kind of meat actually it gave me a good flavor too. I mean that's from my experience. So it's a good flavor, and then it take it doesn't take long to make it what do you call it?
Soft.
Softer, yeah.
Tender.
Yep, tender, yes.
So for people that don't eat beef, do you recommend chicken? Like, do you recommend chicken breast or chicken thigh?
Anything. If you can do chicken breast or chicken thigh.
So we're done cutting the beef, and Savda is going to show us a way that she cuts the vegetables to prepare for the soup.
So I am going to separate the leaves and the stem. So put in separate way.
Okay.
So the leaf is actually it's cooked faster than the stem, right?
Okay.
So you do this.
Wow, look at all these fresh veggies and
Yes.
meat and the curry paste. So we are actually ready, right, to put in a pot?
Yes, we are ready. I am going to put beef into the pot and we'll marinate it with the kroeung for about 5 minutes. And we will add sugar, right? I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons, okay.
Yes, just
Chicken broth.
chicken broth. And it's also 2 teaspoons on that one. And then this is also 2 teaspoons on it. So we're gonna mix this together. So after we mix all the ingredient into the beef and put in the pot like this, and then we're gonna keep it for 5 minutes.
Okay.
And then we will slow cook it after that.
Awesome.
Actually, the water that I add, a good amount of water, like two bowl, it's dry up. So we can add more water, so we get the more soup in it. And then now we're gonna wait until the water is boil. So we add Thai eggplant and we add this chili, fresh chili,
Yep.
as well. All right, it looks like yes. It's
Wow.
And now the next step, we are adding the tamarind powder. I'm gonna put 2 of these.
So you just put a bunch of curry leaves in,
Yes, so I'm
into the
gonna
pan, yeah?
so I'm gonna roast this to it until it's brown. Add this in, curry leaves, yep.
Wow.
And then we're gonna put the olive oil. We are ready to
eat.
to
Yes.
Yay!
Finally, we
Yeah.
made it.
Wow, so we finished making.
So
Yes.
excited.
Yes.
And thank you for making the pork version for me. And now I have,
Welcome, Perry.
I have this
Anytime.
all to myself.
Yes, you do.
Because I don't like the beef. Well, I don't
Yeah.
eat beef because I'm allergic
Right,
to it.
yeah, mhm.
But so as you can see, you can actually use that with pork or fish or beef and chicken. But this version is the ground pork version. I'm excited with the chili. Can't wait to eat.
Yep, let's
Oh my
Let's dig
goodness.
in.
So scoop some on the rice. I have some beef here. Mmm,
How was it? Good?
it's delicious.
Edible?
It's so good.
Edible. So I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna get some more.
this
Wow.
this is my favorite. I like this thing, so.
It's so aromatic. It's a little sour from the tamarind. It's savory. It's umami. You can taste the lemongrass, the kaffir lime leaves.
Yep.
It's really, really good.
I'm a little greedy.
Oh
Not a lot. And pepper.
Oh, that is spicy, yes.
Right here.
It's a tasty, spicy.
Okay. Alright, you guys ready?
Come on, let's eat.
Oh, how do I do this?
We're gonna eat comfortable, so let's just forget about this.
Wow! Mmm!
Isn't it so good?
Oh my god! It's the tamarind, the lemongrass, the sweetness, and the fragrance of the lemongrass Wow, so good. Hold on.
Another bite.
Wow, this is so good. And the pepper. Here, I'm gonna go for the pepper.
I'm gonna taste
You gotta
yours.
eat the pepper.
I'm gonna taste yours. I mean, oh, I'm gonna take a lot of that, so
Yeah.
a little bit more.
Wow. Alright guys, so if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more yummy recipes. Yep, I think we're shifting gear now and try different food.
Definitely.
Yeah.
We have a lot more to
So
show.
we're gonna continue eating
Yeah,
this
but
delicious food.
definitely we're gonna have Savda come back again because her food is the bomb. So
Really
good.
good, and it's so different too.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
I look
But
forward
thank
to
you
coming here
guys
every time. So good.
for actually allow me for
Oh.
to try to do this my first time, and it's nervous and a lot of
No, she did great. She did really good.
so
Yep.
all right.
See you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.